Today I am showing you Redmi 3S Prime miui9 Global Beta ROM. This is how the Redmi 3S Prime miui9 looks, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red color subscribe button to get the latest video updates and click the notification icon to get the notifications. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have shown you how to upgrade Redmi 3S Prime to miui9. See guys, I'm using MIUI 8.5 global stable ROM. See, today only they have launched that. First go to Chrome and type MIUI and click on search, then click on view official site. My data, I have lost connections. Switch to PC mode. Click on. My data connection is slow. I have used already 1 GB of data, so only click on download the miui9 ROMs. After that, select the mobile which you are using. I am using Redmi 3S Prime. See, where is that? Is this here? It has been opened. See, my mobile is Redmi 3S Prime and 3S Prime 3X. See, this is the update has been MIUI9. Then click on download the full ROM. Click on download the. You need to download the developer ROM and then click on download the full ROM. I have already downloaded it. I will show how to update. First go to updater app. From here no updates will be available. This is because of this is a stable ROM, so please choose the update package and go to downloaded ROMs or in downloads, then select miui8. I have already downloaded it. Okay, it will, after that it will getting information, it will be decrypting, and after that it will shows that erase and update. First only guys, you need to back up the internal storage which will be important in your mobile. Okay, after that it will become 100%. It will shows that erase and update.